All right, you're staring at a big project. Maybe it's a home renovation, a medical procedure, or you're trying to consolidate some debt. And the question pops into your head, can Ally help me with a personal loan? It's a valid question, right? We see Ally's name everywhere, especially online. They're a big player in the financial world. But when it comes to personal loans, things get a little nuanced. Let's unpack this. Because simply saying yes or no doesn't tell the whole story. You see, the world of personal finance, especially lending, is a landscape of partnerships, specific product offerings, and evolving company strategies. And that's exactly what we need to explore here. First, let's establish a foundational understanding. When people talk about personal loans, they generally mean unsecured loans. This means you're borrowing money without putting up any collateral, like your house or car. These loans are typically used for various purposes, from debt consolidation to funding major life events. Now, Ally is primarily known as an online bank. They offer a range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and auto financing. But when it comes to traditional, direct-to-consumer personal loans, the picture is a bit different. Here's the key point: Ally doesn't directly offer standard, unsecured personal loans in the way that many other lenders do. However, they do facilitate financing for specific purposes through their Ally lending division. This is where the confusion often arises. Ally lending primarily focuses on point-of-sale financing. This means they partner with businesses, such as home improvement contractors and healthcare providers, to offer financing options to their customers. So, if you're getting a new roof or undergoing a medical procedure, you might be offered financing through Ally lending. This is a crucial distinction. It's not the same as walking into a bank or going online and applying for a general-purpose personal loan. Instead, the financing is typically offered at the point of service through the vendor. So, to break it down, direct personal loans, Ally Bank itself doesn't offer them in the traditional sense. Ally Lending, they provide financing through partnerships with businesses, primarily for home improvement and healthcare. Now, why is this important? Because understanding this difference can help you make informed decisions about your financing options. If you're looking for a general-purpose personal loan to consolidate debt or fund a large purchase, you'll likely need to explore other lenders. There are numerous options available, including traditional banks, credit unions, online lenders. Each of these options has its own pros and cons, so it's essential to do your research and compare offers. When comparing personal loan offers, consider the following factors. Interest rates: the lower the interest rate, the less you'll pay in total interest. Loan terms: the length of the repayment period. Fees: look for any origination fees, prepayment penalties, or other fees. Eligibility requirements: each lender has its own criteria for approval. It is always a good idea to check your credit score before applying for a personal loan. Your credit score is a major factor in determining your eligibility and the interest rate you'll be offered. In addition to traditional personal loans, there are other financing options you might consider, such as credit cards. Credit cards can be a convenient way to finance small purchases, but they typically have higher interest rates than personal loans. Home equity loans or lines of credit. Helix: if you're a homeowner, you might be able to borrow against the equity in your home. However, these loans are secured by your home, so you risk foreclosure if you default. It's important to choose the financing option that best suits your needs and financial situation. Now, to bring it back to Ally. While they may not offer traditional personal loans, they are a reputable financial institution with a range of other products and services. If you're looking for an online bank with competitive interest rates on savings accounts or auto financing, Ally is worth considering. And regarding Ally Lending, if you are looking to have work done on your home or have medical procedures, it is always worth asking the business if they work with Ally Lending, as it may be an option for you. To summarize, while Ally doesn't provide general personal loans, they do offer financing through Ally Lending for specific purposes. When exploring personal loan options, always compare offers from multiple lenders and consider all factors, including interest rates, loan terms, and fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.